if you look at the whole picture, it seems like, that's it's a lot. It's overwhelming, but you just do one at a time. It's even no matter how big the piece is or small the piece is, right? Just one thing at a time.
This is map of Ukraine. The Black Sea is right here. The west is right here. There's the north. And the chain will go, the bird will be basically picking up the chain up
Okay.
and breaking the last link and getting free. It's an angle iron. It was cut certain way and then it was forged out. The beak was forged out of this. You know,
Yeah.
the wings were forged out of that.
Wow, that is
And this is the tail. You spread out here, and that is the last link of the chain, which is broken.
Right.